Right, let's get started. This video is all about how to construct a word equation if you're given information about a reaction, so what you've got at the beginning and what you've got at the end. Let's start as we always do by defining what we mean by a word equation. So a word equation is just there to tell me what I started with and what I ended with. That is all. Let's check out an example. So this is a paragraph which tells me some information about a reaction. What I can see is I've got solid magnesium burning in oxygen gas to make magnesium oxide. So hopefully you can identify that the three things going on are the magnesium, the oxygen, and the magnesium oxide. The magnesium and the oxygen is what I start with, so therefore they are my reactants. They go on the left-hand side of my equation, separated by a plus sign, which means we add them together. I don't need to add the solid magnesium to the equation because the point of my word equation is just to tell me what's reacting. I don't care at this stage about what state it is in. So you've got magnesium plus oxygen. In the center, we say it goes to magnesium oxide. Now, it's really important at this point that we define that goes to means an arrow. It can only go one way. Kind of a simplification because sometimes reactions go both ways, but what I'm trying to say is never use an equal sign, always use an arrow. Let's crack on with a couple more examples just to check we're okay with this. In this example, what you can see is you've got sodium chloride being made from chlorine and sodium. Hopefully what you can see is that this has been written in a way that flips it from the example that we did last time, because now it's saying that sodium chloride was made. So that means the sodium chloride is on the right hand side of my equation. It is a product. It is being made from sodium. I don't need the metal because I don't need to know what state it's in or what it's made from, just the element from sodium and chlorine. I don't need the gas part. So sodium plus chlorine gives you sodium chloride. The last example we're going to look at today is this one here. Have a pause of the video, just double check that you can do it on your own before I go through it. So here, all that you've got is you've identified, hopefully, that carbon and oxygen are reacting together to make carbon dioxide. Hopefully you put a nice arrow in the middle of that equation. No equal signs going on here today. That's all. That's how to write word equations. Check out the next video to work out how to do symbol equations and how to do ionic equations, which is where it all gets a little bit more complicated.